Done. Okay. So domain admin, yeah, domain admin is a king in the domain level. He can do anything, guys. He can delete the machines. He can delete whatever he want. Okay. He can remove the machines. He can re-add the machines. He can create the groups. He can delete the groups. In the domain level, he's the king. The whole domain he can control, guys. Whole domain he can control, and these permissions will be okay. Will be there with the Windows team only. No one will get the domain admin permissions. And in the Windows team also, not all Windows team, okay, senior persons only will have this domain admin password. This domain can do anything in the domain level. He can remove the machines, he can re-add the machines, he can delete the machines, he can delete the groups, he can create the groups, whatever he want, he can do it in the domain level. Very, very, very powerful user, guys. Very powerful user. Of course, he can log into any VM, but he cannot log into the SQL server. He can log into the VM, guys. He can log into each VM. But again, for domain admin also, he should have access in the SQL server. Even though he's a CEO, I told you, right? We have to create a login for CEO, then only CEO can connect to the database. Okay. It doesn't mean that I am a CEO. Okay, I should have complete access. Okay, that's okay. You should have complete access. But again, there is a proper way of getting access. We have to create a login for CEO and we have to give access, guys. Okay, domain in the same way, domain admin is a powerful user. It can log into each machine with the admin privileges, but still, this domain admin cannot log into the SQL server until and unless if you don't create a login for this domain admin in the SQL server, guys. Guys, is it clear? Domain name, domain user, domain group. Is it clear? Any doubts, any issues? Domain name, domain user, domain group, local user, domain user, local group, domain group, local admin, domain admin. Simply local means your computer name, domain means your domain name, guys. If it is a user, computer name slash username. If it is a group, computer name slash group name. If it is a admin, computer name slash administrator. If it is a domain, domain user, domain name slash user, domain name slash group name, domain name slash administrator, guys. Any questions here, please let me know. Otherwise, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll show you how to create this domain users and all. Domain admin will automatically, you will get domain admin. We don't create domain admin, but how I'll show you how to create domain user and all. Okay, so tomorrow how user management will work, I'll show you tomorrow, and we'll complete the domain setup, Active Directory domain services also in tomorrow's class, guys. Any questions, any doubts, let me know. Otherwise, that's it for today. We can reconnect, okay, tomorrow at 7 a.m. guys. I hope no
Okay,
questions.
sir.
Yeah, thank you, guys. Tomorrow we'll meet at 7 a.m. Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.